Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. As the rainy season starts to come in, the areas that have been affected by the wildfires will start experiencing mudslides. In some of our previous episodes, we talked about retaining walls and the importance of them. Well, the importance of them is to help retain some of this muddy soil that starts being washed away. So if your home's on the side of a hill and you're at the middle part of the hill, you're basically getting all the rainwater coming down off the top of the hill, all the surface area. It's just like a roof. Your roof takes on all that rain that hits the top of it, and that's why there's so much water that comes out your downspouts, or if you don't have gutters, straight down to your foundation. So that's your foundation repair tip of the day. Just keep safe, and we'll see you soon.